The truth of being a content creator, to be honest, is pretty difficult, especially in the beginning, like I'm at right now. If you go to my main channel, Blake Went, you can see that my views have hindered horrendously. I'm not exactly sure why. I go on here and talk about this on my Blake Went Finance account because I think it best fits the just the channel in general. But being a content creator, so many people say, yeah, I want to go create content. I want to be a social media influencer, this and that. But they really keep that mentality until they realize that it is a really hard road. But what's keeping me going right now is people like Mac Mula, if anybody on here knows who that is, and him just explaining that you just got to keep on going and eventually it will work out. Now, for me, that just means I just need to keep on posting and keep doing what I'm doing. But I've been doing this now for like 5 days, and some of these videos you could check on this channel have literally gotten like almost no views. You know what I'm saying? So it's pretty difficult. But I've done this before, and like I built my TikTok up to like 15,000. This was like a couple years ago, and my Instagram is up to 18,000 now. That's just about the only one that I get paid off of or actually make any money off of is like TikTok and Instagram. But TikTok, it's only off the promotions, you know what I'm saying, or like the free stuff that people will send me, which I have a couple of those loading now, but I don't really have any of those like locked in. Oh, so it's just like I was thinking about this. Like I've put a lot of time in for like no return right now. But when you see like the people that actually make it, like how much they make per video, like people making like $10,000 a video is just like, man, like that. That's what I'm grinding for, you know. So I just really gotta just keep going. But that's the reality of being a content creator, right? Is it's just gonna be so hard for like the first 6 months, and especially because I just worked so hard to get that channel monetized, and the views are just down terribly. So I'm not getting like not really getting paid. I feel like I'm making good content. I'm writing scripts for it. I'm really taking time, like I just did for this video. I just sat in front of the mirror. I talked about what I'm gonna talk about for like 20 minutes, right? And this might get like 5 views again, you know. So being a content creator, it's tough, but eventually I do believe that if you just keep on posting and posting and posting, eventually you will start to see that growth. And it's never like linear growth. Like I'm gonna keep on posting and it's gonna have like, it's gonna be exponential growth, or it's just gonna be no growth and you're just gonna quit. You know what I'm saying? And I never want to be that guy who quits. I want to just keep on grinding. I just come on here to talk about, because YouTube is a finance, YouTube is a business. I could create Went Productions LLC, and that would be a business. You see what I'm saying? And so like it is a real way to make money. And on Instagram right now, I'm making about like $100 a month or something like that. Maybe a little bit more, a little bit less, depends a month. But you know that's pretty good. There at least I'm getting paid something. But like on YouTube right now, it's literally pennies because Blake Went is the only channel that I own that is currently monetized, and it's literally pennies. Like if I pull up right now, I'm on my Blake Went account, right? So I got like all these channels. Only one of them is monetized, and that is like mainly my lifting account. So like, look, this video just got 66 views. Like, that sucks. Yesterday, if I just go to this content, I go to this revenue. I'm sure I could show you guys this, but I just don't know how to set this up. So just bear with me. But like my best day on this YouTube channel, I made $4.84, which is great. You know, $5 a day, I'd be thrilled. But like yesterday I made 73 cents. And then like just recently it's like 37 cents, 33 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents. $1.73 I made on Saturday. But like, dude, it is just tough, you know what I'm saying? Like this is not enough money that could really fund anything. And you need to make at least $100 a month for it to get like paid out. So like if I don't hit this by the end of August, if I don't hit $100 on this account by the end of August, I'm not gonna get money paid out for it. I'm gonna have to just keep on grinding. I won't get paid until September, and it takes a week to hit your account. The reason I know this is because I used to do YouTube. I used to actually take YouTube pretty serious when I was about like 14. I had this channel called Nike Patty. It's got about 17,000 subscribers. And I used to make like just compilation videos of like other people's videos, and it actually did pretty good for me. And that actually made me like a good amount of money. I guess I could talk about that in a different video. But that's how I just always knew like social media, if you work it hard enough, it will work out in the end. But man, is it hard to get into. I just remember how hard it was to get monetized on that channel, this channel, and now however many other channels I want to get monetized on. It is just that freaking hard. You just have to have like a head of steel. You have to have a mind of steel. Like when I'm done with this video, I'm going to turn this camera off. I'm going to go rehearse for like 15-20 minutes of my next video that I'm going to post on Blake Went Finance. After that, I'm going to go sit in front of the mirror again. I'm going to talk about my videos that I'm going to do on Blake Went today. I'm probably going to make a bench press video. I noticed those do better. You know what I'm saying? Like, it is just a non-stop grind to do this content creation thing. And right now, I'm making nothing from it. I got an off day from the gym, right? It'd be a great day. I could just go outside. I could mess around. I could read a book. I could do something else. No, but I'm on here grinding. And it is just a grind. It's an absolute grind. And like Mac Mula said, that's like my #1 inspiration right now. Mac Mula, he said everybody's got no time. Everybody can't produce, you know, 30 videos a day, because honestly, I need to produce at least 15 videos a day. And it's just me. It's a one-man team. There's no editors, there's no posters, no nothing. It's me, my 2 computers, and that's it. You see what I'm saying? So it is just so difficult to do this. I got a little spreadsheet on my phone. I got my 1 reel today, and I got like 5 more videos to shoot. This is just me talking to the camera like, dude, there's a lot to do today. And as on top of that, I want to start my own finance channel on TikTok. So, so when am I going to do all this? And now I got college documents too that I got to do. But at the end of the day, I'm going to figure this all out and I'm going to make it work. And that's the mindset you have to have if you're trying to create videos, you're trying to create content, just stuff like that, man. It is not easy. It is not meant for the weak-minded. You see what I'm saying? But I feel like in the end, it could do so much. It could help me help so many people, and ultimately, you know, become my full-time career, because this is really what I want to do. You know, eventually, I don't want to have to go crop this video off my phone, make edits to this video off my phone. Eventually, I want to record on a camera, send the camera footage to an editor, and the editor does everything with it, so I can make even more videos, even less time, and make it like more reasonable, other than working these 10-hour days pretty much for no money right now. So, I mean, that's just a reality of being a content creator in the beginning. It is really tough work, you know. If you're not built for it, you're just not built for it. You gotta have mind of steel, bro. You need to just keep on going. And so that's what I'm gonna try to do. Hopefully this video gets more than like 4 or 5 views. But yeah, man, that's it. That's just me being real. There's so many other things I could go do right now to make way more money. Like I've had so many businesses that have made me way more money in the beginning. Like when I first started selling jewelry, dude, like a few weeks into it, I was making like $300 some days. Like, bro, why don't I just do that right now? You know, because I know that this is really what I want to do. I've always wanted to do this. And so as I get closer and closer and closer to going to college, getting out of college, you know, it's been 4 years. It's quite a while from now. But really, once you get out of college, if you're not like, if I'm not really there, I don't think I'll ever be there. You know what I'm saying? So I got this note on my wall that says the time is now. You know, screw everything else. The time is now. The time to blow up is now. And so I'm just talking real facts, because this is a finance. This is a business. This is something that you can make a living off of. But man, is it tough. Not for the weak-minded at all. So hopefully you guys like this video. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next in the next video. And I'm signing out.